It's one of the most common materials used today. It makes up our roads, railways, bridges, buildings, cars, and household appliances. Steel. Steel is an alloy that consists largely of iron and is known for its strength. United States Steel Corporation manufactures more than 1,500 different types of steel, all made to precise chemical and metallurgical specifications. As an integrated steel maker, we provide high-quality, sophisticated steels, beginning with the processing of raw materials, as opposed to the production of steel from scrap. Controlling this process allows us to produce steels with properties so unique they are virtually impossible to make using any other method. U.S. Steel mines much of its own iron ore. A key ingredient in the first step of making steel. We extract iron from a rock called taconite by grinding it into a fine powder and removing the ore with powerful magnets. We also make significant quantities of the coke used to fuel our blast furnaces. Bituminous coal is crushed, sealed in airtight ovens, baked for 12 to 16 hours, and removed from the ovens as solid carbon fuel. The final ingredient is limestone, which helps remove impurities. Computerized controls are used to measure precise quantities that are then added atop massive blast furnaces, where temperatures range close to 2,700 degrees. During this process, the iron ore is transformed into molten iron. Next, the molten iron is removed from the blast furnace at regular intervals and transported in giant ladles to the steel-making shop, where it is turned into steel. Here, the basic oxygen process begins. Recycled steel scrap is dumped into a high-efficiency BOP vessel, and the molten iron is added. High-purity oxygen is then blown into the mixture at supersonic speeds to oxidize carbon in the melt, further raising the temperature and refining the molten iron to hot, molten steel. More than 250 tons of steel can be produced in less than 45 minutes utilizing the basic oxygen process. Various alloys are also added at this time to create specific chemistries required by our customers. Next, the steel is carried to our ladle metallurgy facility for additional processing. Vacuum degassing, electrode reheating, precision alloying, and induction stirring all help to remove final impurities and make the steel formable. This creates the more than 1,500 different types of value-added steel we produce to meet the varying needs of U.S. Steel's customers. Once processed, the molten steel can now be poured into continuous casters and solidified into a semi-finished shape. Now at approximately 2,800 degrees, the red-hot liquid must be carefully positioned as it is funneled into the water-cooled molds that form the semi-finished shapes our casters produce. The resulting slabs and rounds, also called billets, are then converted into tubular products. The slabs go on to become coils of sheet steel used in the manufacture of electric resistance welded, or ERW products, as well as many other sheet product applications, including automobiles and appliances. The rounds go on to become seamless tubular products that are used for specialized applications such as tubing, well casing, and drill pipe for the oil and gas industry. U.S. Steel takes pride in the high-quality, value-added products we provide to our customers. From melting, to refining, to pouring, and casting, making steel is our strength. It's what makes us the integrated steel supplier of choice for so many industries. We are leaders, and this is U.S. Steel.